Hello YouTube, ice cream, chips, popcorn, 6 harmful foods that are actually healthy. Recently, a healthy lifestyle and proper nutrition have been increasingly popularized on the internet, calling fast food, soda, sweets and other sweets almost a deadly poison. But is it really so? Let's see if bad food can be good for the body. Corn chips. Corn chips or nachos are not considered as unhealthy as potato chips, and for good reason. The fact is that this product contains many useful substances, for example, vitamins A and E, iron, calcium. However, this snack is very high in calories, so you should not lean on it. And read the label carefully. Choose nachos with as few additives, trans fats, and flavor enhancers as possible. Ice cream. In summer, I especially want something cold and refreshing. And the choice of most people falls, of course, on ice cream. But there are those who forbid themselves to eat this sweetness. It turns out that it is very in vain. Ice cream contains vitamins B, C, protein, calcium and other nutrients that are beneficial to the body. If you eat it in moderation, while counting calories, you don't have to worry about harm to your health. Naturally, you need to choose ice cream with the minimum amount of additives, and even better, make it yourself. Popcorn. Popcorn is not just an essential attribute of every movie watching, but also a very healthy snack. It contains a large amount of fiber, many vitamins and trace elements, a chemical compound polyphenol, which has antioxidant properties. The main harm from popcorn is not in the puffed grains themselves, but in the seasonings, dyes and flavor enhancers that are added to it. So if you want to get the most out of it and crunch on a delicious treat while watching a movie, buy dried corn kernels and make your own popcorn. Instant noodles. Instant noodles are considered perhaps the most harmful product that adherents of a healthy lifestyle always bypass. But are all noodles really that dangerous? It turns out that in order to minimize the harm from eating these pasta, it is enough not to cover them with a large amount of seasoning. It contains monosodium glutamate and other food additives that can be dangerous to the body. Bitter chocolate. It's no secret that dark chocolate is one of the best alternatives to chocolate bars, sweets and cookies during a diet. Firstly, this product does not contain too much sugar, especially when compared with white or milk chocolate. Secondly, it contains a large amount of fiber and protein. Thirdly, dark chocolate has a rather rich taste, so it will be very difficult to eat the whole pack of this delicacy. Earlier, we devoted an entire article to the beneficial properties of chocolate, so if you are still in doubt about whether to add this product to your diet, we advise you to read it. Marmalade. Marmalade has a fairly simple composition. There are no unnecessary ingredients and additives. One of the gelling components is necessarily present, pectin, gelatin or agar-agar. All of them are useful for the body, as they contain a lot of calcium, sodium, iron, phosphorus, magnesium and potassium. However, despite the fact that marmalade is considered a dietary dessert, like any other sweet, you should not consume it in too large quantities. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.